Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to redeem Zone Lewis gift card online. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of the tutorials like this. To redeem Zone Lewis gift card online, first open any web browser available on your mobile phone. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.zonelewis.com. Then tap on enter. With that, you'll be taken to Zone Lewis website. Now here you need to first sign in to your account. To sign in, first tap on account at top of the website. After signing in, go back to the home page. Now scroll down and tap on any of the product that you want to make purchase of. After tapping on the product, you can see the overview of the product. Now tap on add to basket. With that, your product will be added to the basket. Now scroll on the top of the website. Then tap on basket option between account and menu at the top right corner. Then here you can see the basket. Now you can see your product that you have kept on your basket. Now tap on continue to checkout at the top. With that, you'll be taken to the checkout page. Now first select a delivery option. After selecting the delivery option, you need to enter all the delivery information and credentials like your first name, last name, your phone number or your address or postcode. After entering your delivery details, you can tap on set as your default delivery address if you want to. With that, tap on use this address at downside. Now here you need to choose your delivery options that are available. After that, tap on continue to payment. Now scroll down. Under payments you can see use gift card or voucher. Tap on use gift card or voucher. Then here you'll be taken to selection of payment type. You can choose gift card, e-gift card or gift voucher, e-gift voucher. Since this is the video to redeem gift card, I am tapping on gift card. Now you need to first enter your gift card number. Make sure you check your gift card and enter the number behind the gift card. If you are using your e-gift card, make sure you check the gift card number properly. With that, add the PIN of your gift card. After adding the PIN, your gift card will be redeemed. Then continue with the further process so you can buy the product. This is how we can redeem Zone Lewis gift card online. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.